In public spaces where many people use sliding doors every day, a safe and compliant installation maintaining comfort of use and energy efficiency is key. The ORASCAN is the first ever opening and safety sensor for sliding doors, combining radar and laser technology. Artek Inside, developed and produced by BEA, takes radar technology to the next level. The 180 degrees angle and 5 laser curtains ensure a complete coverage of the door for maximum safety. Laser technology offers a detection range of 4.6 meters diagonally, securing even larger doors. The sensor can be installed up to 3.5 meters high, depending on the width of the door. The ORASCAN secures the leading edge and the complete width, height and depth of the door threshold. Also need side screen safety during opening? The ORASCAN has it covered. It is an all-in-one solution, compliant with safety standards and beyond. With only one push, the ORASCAN measures the door dimensions and positions the laser curtains automatically, regardless of the environment or door type. With the ORASCAN app, you can directly review the different detection fields, including your own position for even more peace of mind. The ORASCAN is a versatile solution for all sizes and types of automatic sliding doors. Install it on large or tall doors, telescopic doors and hermetic doors in hospitals, for example. Take safety to the next level. All risks are simply removed thanks to the 100% safety coverage, securing all contact points for everyone. 2 laser curtains secure the whole width and height of the door, and 3 dynamic curtains on and beyond the threshold add extra safety and comfort for all users. Injuries caused by contact with the door leaves are in the past. Being completely independent of the floor, the ORASCAN can be installed on any type of flooring, even when it's dirty. Harsh weather conditions are no issue for the laser technology, which has proven itself on the field since 2008. Add up to 4 virtual opening buttons for on-demand contactless opening of the door. One sensor offers both hygienic opening and complete safety. Thanks to the BlueSpin connectivity, only one sensor needs to be connected to the door controller. The communication between the sensors is reinforced and they function as a team. For example, you only need to confirm the dip settings on one of the sensors. On very large doors, add the Eagle Artek X via BlueSpin to extend your opening and create a powerful synergy between the sensors. Download the app for a user-friendly experience. Access key features, launch a teach-in or fine-tune settings. Find the perfect fit for your application. Choose your kit and product version. Pick a color to blend in or stand out. Also check out our various mounting accessories. ORASCAN. Experience ultimate peace of mind.